Python, assigning hash values in a list to bins, by rounding up. I want a function that can take a series and a set of bins, and basically round up to the nearest bin. For example, this seems to be very close to what numpy's digitize is intended to do, but it produces the wrong values, asterisks for wrong values. The reason why it's wrong is clear from the documentation. Each index I returned is such that bins I1, less than equals x less than bins I, if bins is monotonically increasing, or bins I1, greater than x greater than equals bins I, if bins is monotonically decreasing. If values in x are beyond the bounds of bins, 0 or len bins is returned as appropriate. If right is true, then the right bin is closed so that the index I is such that bins I1, less than x less than equals bins I, or bins I1, greater than equals x greater than bins I, if bins is monotonically increasing or decreasing, respectively. I can kind of get closer to what I want if I enter in the values decreasing and set right to true. But then I'll have to think of a way of basically methodically reversing the lowest number assignment, 1, with the highest number assignment, 3. It's simple when there are just 3 bins, but will get hairier when the number of bins get longer. There must be a more elegant way of doing all this.
We can simply use np.digitize with its right option set as true to get the indices and then to extract the corresponding elements off bins, bring in np.take, like so.
Another way would be
I believe np.searchSorted will do what you want. Find the indices into a sorted array as such that, if the corresponding elements in B were inserted before the indices, the order of A would be preserved. As of numpy 1.10.0, digitize is implemented in terms of search sorted.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.